Hello everyone. In previous video we have completed till exercise 10.2 from ML Agrawal. In this video we will discuss exercise 10.3 exercise. Clear? In 10.3 first question, find the value of x in each of the following figure. In first question, first part. Clear? It is a triangle. There is two sides are equal and it is a x and it is a 50. Clear? Asking find the value of x. Find the value of x means if in any triangle there is two sides are equal means that is a isosceles triangle. Two sides equal means two angle equal. Clear? X equal to 50 because it's isosceles. It is a answer. Note down. Second question. It is a triangle. There is two sides are equal. It is a x and it is a 110 degree. Clear? This one equal this and this side. This angle is also equal. Clear? We know that I told you formula sum of two interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle. Clear? Means in this figure one angle, this angle is given and this angle is given, but here is two sides are equal means one angle and this angle, both angle are equal. Clear? Means x plus x equal to 110, then 2x equal to 1, x equal to 110 by 2, x equal to 55. Clear? Two side equal means two angle equal. Sum of two interior angle equal to one exterior angle. Note down. Question number second. It is a triangle. Clear? It is a triangle. This one is a, this and this side equal. Clear? And it is 40 degree. Clear? This and this side equal means this angle is also equal. It is also x means biangle sum property. Biangle sum property. 2x equal to 180 minus 40. 2x equal to 140. The x equal to 140 by 2. 70 degree. Clear? Note down. Third one. It is 120, it is y, it is x. Clear? See, bilinear pair we can write here. Suppose that it is also we have taken y. Clear? If this and this are equal, to this and this angle equal means y plus 120 equal to 180. Bilinear pair. Then y equal to 180 minus 120. y equal to 60 degree. Clear? By angle sum property, or we can find it is a 60 degree. Clear? This and this equal, both angle is equal means it is 60. Sum of interior opposite angles equal to exterior angle means x plus y equal to 120, x plus 60 equal to 120, x equal to 120 minus 60, x equal to 60 degree. Clear? Means x equal to 60, y equal to 60. Note down. Question number 4 you can do. Clear? Question number 5. If the angles of triangle are in the ratio 1:2:1, find all the angles of the triangle. Clear? Question number 6. Angles are in ratio. Clear? Let the ratio as be x. Clear? 1x, 2x, 1x equal to 180. By angle sum property, clear, means 4x equal to 180, then x equal to 180 by 4. 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20, then x equal to 45. X equal to 45. Now angles, 1x means 45 into 1, 2x means 45 into 2, 1x means 45 into 1. Clear? Exercise 10.4 we have done in NCERT. Only 3 questions are there. Like this question we have done in NCERT. So you can do 10.4 exercise. Now exercise 10.5, it is on Pythagoras property. Exercise 10.5. First question. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. PQ, if PQ equal to 10 centimeter, PR equal to 24 centimeter, and QR. Find QR. Clear? And P at right angle triangle. First of all, we will make a figure. At 90 degree, P point. Clear? PQR. Put the value. PQ 10, PR 24, QR we will find. So it means it is a hypotenuse. Solution is, see, in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to 10, PR equal to 24, QR equal to, find out P at a right angle triangle. It is given in the question. Clear? Means here is asking value of hypotenuse. We know that formula, h square equal to p square plus b square. Clear? Means QR square equal to PR square plus PQ square. Put the value. PR means 24, means 10 square. Then QR square equal to 576 plus 100. 24 square means 24 into 24. When you will do 24 into 24, you will get 576. It is 676. Then square change in square root. Clear? Find the value of 676 LCM. 2 3 is 6, 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16. 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 9 is 13 1 is 13 3 is 13 1 is 3. It is the LCM of 676. We will write here 2 into 2, 13 into 13. One pair of 2, one pair of 13 given. QR equal to 2 into 13 means 26 centimeters. QR equal to 26 centimeters. Means first of all you will make a figure. Figure is compulsory. If you will not make figure, you cannot do solution. Clear? PR 24, PQ 10. It is a hypotenuse. QR front of 90 degree angle, that is a hypotenuse. H square equal to P square plus B square. QR square equal to PR square plus PQ square. QR square equal to 24 square plus 10 square. QR square equal to 576 plus 100. How 576 will come? 24 square means 24 into 24. 10 square means 10 into 10. QR square equal to 676. This plus this equal to 670. After that find the LCM of 676. Then QR equal to in square root 2 into 2 into 13 into 13. Then see one pair of 2, one pair of 13. 2 into 13. QR equal to 26 centimeters. That is the answer. Second number question, same to same. Question number 1. Like there is only ABC is given. C at a right angle. Question number 3. Find the value of x in each of the following figure. All measurements are in centimeter. Clear? Given third one. Figure is given. It is a triangle. Clear? It is a 90 degree. X 21 centimeter, 29 centimeter. Clear? We know that front of 90 degree, that is a hypotenuse. A, B, C. Clear? We can write AB equal to 21, BC equal to 29, AC equal to X. Clear? Means it is a hypotenuse, means H equal to 29, B equal to 21, P equal to X. P square equal to H square minus B square. I told you formula. Put the value 29 square minus 21 square. Clear? 29 square, if you will not learn, you do multiply. 9 9 is 81, 9 2 is 18, 18 8 261. 2 9 is 18, 841 minus 441. 21 square means 441. P square means AC square. The AC square equal to 400. The AC equal to in square root 400. The AC equal to 400. You can find LCM. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, 5 5 is right in square. 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5. One pair, 2 into 2 into 5, 20 centimeters. AC equal to 20. Note down. Question number 5. A 15-meter long ladder reaches a window 12-meter high from the ground and placing it against a wall. How far is the foot of the ladder from the wall? Question number 5. Clear? It is a ground and it is a wall. Clear? Then it is a 12-meter high and ladder height is given 15 meters. A, B, C. This one is asking value. Clear? Means in a triangle ABC, AC equal to 15, BC equal to 12, AB equal to 1. Clear? We can write base square equal to h square minus p square. Means AB square equal to AC square minus BC square. Means 15 square minus 12 square. 15 square means 225, 12 square means 144. Then AB square equal to 81. AB equal to in square root 81. Then it is the square of 9. AB equal to 9. It is the answer. Clear? It is a ladder. Ladder height is 15 meter. It is the wall. Clear? 12 meter high. It is the ground level. This and this distance is asking how much. Clear? According to figure we are seeing here, asking value of base. Clear? Base square. We know that formula. Hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Then AB square is a base. H square AC square. P square means BC. 15 square minus 12 square, 225 minus 144. Then AB square equal to 81 meter. AB equal to in square root 81. 81 it is the square of 9. Question number 6. Find the area of the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is given and length of diagonal is given. Question number 6. It is a rectangle. A, B, C, D. ABCD is a rectangle. Length is 50 meter and diagonal is given 12 meter. Diagonal is 17. Clear? So first of all we will find the value of breadth. Clear? In triangle ABC 15, AC equal to 17, BC equal to BC square equal to AC square minus AB square. Means P square equal to H square minus B square. AC means 17 square minus 15 square. 17 square means 289. 15 square means 225. Then BC square equal to 64. So BC equal to in square root 64. Then BC equal to 8 meters. 8 meter. Clear? Length and breadth. Length is 15 and breadth is 8 meter. Area of rectangle L into B, 15 into 8, 120 meter. 120 meter is square. If asking perimeter means 2 in bracket L plus B. This value is coming how much? 8 meter. Note down. Question number 7. You can do if the diagonal of rhombus measure is 10 centimeter 24. Find its perimeter. This type question I told you. in previous video. 8 number question, side of rhombus is 5 centimeter. Clear? It is the last question. One rhombus is given. One rhombus is given. Rhombus side is 5 centimeter. It is 5. It is 5. It is 5 centimeter. Length of one diagonal of the rhombus is 8 centimeter. This all length of this diagonal is 8 centimeter. Asking other diagonal length. If this diagonal length is 8 meter and second diagonal we are making, it is divided in two parts, means 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. It is divided in two parts. 8 is divided in two parts. 4. Clear? Asking this value. A, B, C, D. OA value is asking. Clear? So you can take one triangle. Here is 4 triangle. If you are making two diagonal, you are getting 4 triangle are there. Clear? We are taking in triangle OAB. Clear? OB equal to 4, AB equal to 5 centimeter. Clear? 5 centimeter. OB equal to 4, AB equal to 5, OA equal to not. OA is asking. Clear? OA means it is a 90 degree angle. Clear? We know that front of 90 degree, that is a hypotenuse value is given. Means perpendicular square equal to h square minus b. This value is asking. Means OA square equal to AB square minus OB. AB means 5 square, 4 square. 25 minus 60. It is OA square. OA square means 9. OA equal to in square root 9. Then OA equal to 3 centimeter. When this value is coming 3, this value is coming 3, so it is also 3. Means length of second diagonal equal to OA plus OC. 3 plus 3 equal to 6 centimeter. Clear? One side is given, diagonal value is given in this figure. Clear? Side of rhombus is given. Clear? Length of one diagonal is given. Find the length of other diagonal is asking. Total length is 8 centimeter, one diagonal. But if we are dividing in two equal parts, we are getting 4. Clear? When we are making a diagonal, we are getting 4 triangle are there. Clear? The triangle AOB. Clear? OAB we have taken. After that we are getting OA equal to 3. When we are doing solution, OA square equal to AB square minus OB square. 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16 means 9. OA equal to in square root 9. It is the square of 3. Clear? Length of second diagonal equal to OA plus OC. It is 3. It is also 3. Total 6 centimeter. Okay, thanks students. This chapter is complete.